Okay, PRSEF people, this is a separate video for you. I wanted to point out where we are in the science fair, and you can see that this due date, now part of this is because I haven't been in school, and I do apologize for that. But I need you guys to get going, and I'm actually going to give you a lot of time. And I think most of you have received time already with Mr. O'Rourke for challenge. But if you haven't, don't worry, you're gonna get time to do this. Um, it's gonna be Wednesday when you're first watching this. You have until Friday, in which I'm gonna give you 3 straight class days to do this. So you have plenty of time to get this done as long as you work hard on it. This is where we are. We're on the hypothesis and experimental design, and on the other video for everybody else, I showed them this already. What this looks like on your outline, what you need to do for it. You need to do that as well. PRSEF people need to do this section. The question, the hypothesis, the variables, the materials, and the procedures. It needs done. That is also due this Friday. Alright? Now, I'm going to focus in this video on the additional piece that needs done by this Friday. The additional piece that needs done on Friday, and it's actually on Canvas. It is right here, the PRSEF Research Project Plan Template. That is what we are looking at right here. Okay, and this is not on your outline. This needs to be a separate doc. This needs to be something that you and your group members create and share on your own so that everybody can contribute. But this is the way that this document works. And again, I think some of people have seen this if you've been in Mr. O'Rourke's, and some people haven't. Okay, but what you need to do is you need to keep the titles that are in bold, but you need to make sure that you have all the other components to it. So you need a cover page, all right, which should contain the title of your project and your names. Okay, very similar to on this page, something like this. Okay, not exactly, because this is going to change, but your question, your group members down here, you need to include stuff like that on this template. Okay, the other thing that you need to do is you need to do some of the same stuff that you did on the other one. Develop a question. It needs to be the same question. Background research summary. Brief synopsis of your relevant research about the topic. Add in your research summaries, the same ones you've already done. Put them in here. Okay, the only reason we are doing this template is because the committee at PRSEF needs to see this. They want to see your information, your background, all that stuff. So put in your summaries, include your works cited, okay, in here. Just paste them, copy and paste them from your doc into here. Then you need to write the purpose. Okay, problem, purpose, pretty similar. The highlighted ones are examples, so you can go back and read through some of those. Okay. The hypothesis, again, if-then statement right here. Then the procedure. You've already done this, and if you, as you go back and you watch the previous video, because you need to do this section anyway. So as you have gone back and you have done this already, this needs to be very, very detailed, especially from those people who are in PRSEF. It needs to be extremely detailed. Variables, control materials, and then the step-by-step analysis. Okay, take a look. Here's a setup that you have to include, the actual steps that you're going to do to conduct it. A data analysis. Describe the procedures that you will use to analyze the data. What do you expect from your results? Risk and safety. Identifying any potential risks that describe safety precautions you will take to mitigate those. Okay, in other words, what are you going to take so that those safety problems don't occur? And then your bibliography, your works cited from your resources. Remember, you should have 5 if you're in PRSEF. So here's where we get those 5. Okay, those same 5 sources that you posted up here in your background research summary, the works cited from them goes here. Okay, guys, I know it seems like a lot. You have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to work on it. So please do not worry. It's a long time to do it, but this needs to be a separate doc, and it also needs to be done by Friday. If you have questions, I know I'm crazy busy right now, but I will try to get back to you. So just go ahead and send me an email, and I'll do my best. All right, guys.